Snapchat records when you take a screenshot and it sends the person a notification. But there are 4 possible ways to screenshot without letting them know, and let's see each one now. The first method is using Google Assistant. You might not know, but Google Assistant can take screenshots. What you need to do is open the snap and long press the home button or say OK Google if you have the voice activated. Once the assistant comes up, just say take a screenshot. Now before you do that, you should know a couple of things. Although the app works by long pressing the home button, it's recommended to activate the voice because the accidental short press on the home button will go to the home screen and the snap will be lost. Also with this method, Google Assistant will not save the screenshot. It only allows sharing the screenshot, so you must share the photo immediately. You can upload it to Google Drive or share it using WhatsApp or a different application. The second method is using the Private Screenshots app. Let's install this app and enable the permissions. You will need to enable the View over other apps option. To do that, tap here and find Private Screenshots, and under Settings, enable this option. Now after that, anytime you tap on this icon, the app will take a screenshot. The third way is to screen record your snap. Almost all Android devices come with a screen recording option. To find it, simply open the notifications panel and swipe down again to see all the icons. Find the screen recorder here. If you can't find it, tap on this edit option and see if it's here. If it is, hold on to the icon and move it to the top. Then we start the recording and view the snap. After recording the video, you can take a screenshot of the video if you like. The last method is a bit complex, but does not require an app. Now with this method, Snapchat will log you off, so ensure that you have the login details. Alright, we want to open Snapchat and go to the Snaps area. Scroll down here to load snaps. Now turn on the airplane mode. Next, watch the snap and take a screenshot. Now what you want to do is go to the app drawer, tap and hold on to Snapchat and tap on app info. From here, you want to force stop the app and then tap on this cache and storage option. On this screen, we'll tap on clear cache and then tap on this clear storage option and touch on this confirm button. This will delete the data for the screenshot, and since the app is offline, it hasn't sent any data online. Now we want to turn off the airplane mode and open Snapchat. In some cases, you will still have the snap. As you can see on the screen, I still have the snap. In other cases, you won't, but the sender won't get the notification. That's pretty much all. There's one more way, which is to clone your phone to a PC or a TV and take a picture, but that's a complex method. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Please click on the like button if the video helped. I'll catch you later. Until then, take care.